Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make teriyaki salmon. It's a really quick and easy recipe, and you can add anything to it, even a soba noodle salad. It's like we might have made it before. It's pretty good and they go really well together, or you can serve it with rice, literally anything you want. I just recommend making it because it's yummy and it's quick. These are the ingredients you're going to need. 2 salmon fillets, about 150 grams each. Now you can rinse them underwater if you want to, but just make sure you pat them completely dry. This helps get the skin really nice and crispy. If you prefer, you can use skinless salmon too. Plain flour, this is just to dust the fish in. Some salt and pepper to season the fish. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If you like your teriyaki sauce sweeter, you can add 3. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 1 tablespoon of cooking sake. 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, and 1 garlic clove crushed. And then just additionally, to help cook the fish, you're going to need 1 to 2 teaspoons of neutral flavored cooking oil, so like canola oil, vegetable oil, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sake. This will help to steam the fish. So what we're going to do is put all of our sauce ingredients into one bowl and mix it together, and then I'm going to show you how to season your fish. So to make our teriyaki sauce, put our soy sauce, brown sugar, mirin, cooking sake, and ginger and garlic into a bowl and mix it all together. So to season our fish, what I want to do first is take a very sharp knife and draw some diagonal cuts on the back of the skin. This just helps it to stay nice and flat and doesn't peel up. Then, on each side of the fish, we're going to season with salt and pepper and press it into the fish. Then, with a little bit of the plain flour, about a tablespoon per fillet, we're just going to very lightly coat all sides of the salmon as well. Make sure the skin has the most flour on it. This will help get it nice and crispy when we fry it. If you're using skinless salmon, then just put a little bit of flour on it. Yeah. So on a high heat, we're going to heat the oil for about a minute or so until it's nice and warm. Then we're going to place our salmon skin side down into the pan. If you don't have skin on your salmon, do the exact same thing, it's all fine. And we're going to let it cook for about half a minute. Then we're going to turn it down on a medium heat for about 3 minutes and let it cook through. And then place your couple tablespoons of sake into the frying pan and put a lid on top and allow it to cook and steam for about another 3 minutes. I was dumb and added the sake before turning over my salmon. Ideally, what you want to do is turn your salmon before you add the sake. I forgot to do that. The skin will be crispy regardless. And then take the lid off, and as you can see, it's nice and cooked. If you did what I did and you add the sake while the skin was still down, just place it back on the other side and allow the skin to crisp up again. Now the length of the time that you cook your fish depends on how you like it cooked. By cooking about 3 and a bit minutes on each side, it won't be fully cooked, but because we're going to put it in the hot sauce later, it'll continue to cook. If you wanted to be really accurate with it, you can get a meat thermometer, place it inside the thickest bit of the fish at about 55 degrees Celsius. Take it out of the pan. Then we're going to place our teriyaki sauce in the frying pan, and on a medium heat, let it cook until it starts to boil. This should take a couple of minutes. This allows it to reduce and the flavors to intensify. Then we're going to add our salmon back into the pan, and we're going to spoon the sauce over the top. This will continue to cook the fish perfectly through. Then we're just going to serve it on a plate, then sprinkle on some sesame seeds and chopped spring onions if you wish. I just think they look really pretty. And serve on a bed of rice or with a soba noodle salad. We have a recipe for you. Okay guys, that's how you make my teriyaki salmon. It's really quick, really easy, and really good for you. I hope you give it a try, because I know Flavia loves salmon. But yeah, it's just a really sweet and beautiful flavor, and you can eat it with anything, just rice, veggies. We did make this soba noodle salad a day or so ago. It goes really well with that as well, so I'm just going to put that there. We've made a lot and it's beautiful. I'm so excited for you to try it and for Flavia to try it too, so let's eat. But yeah.
I've been salivating while we've been making this.
But yeah, so try it on its own and then we'll try it with the salad too.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, lost me fish.
You lost your fish, lost your marbles. Get a bit of that skin in there, go on.
Well, the skin's still slightly crispy,
Whoa.
even though the sauce is on it.
Mmm.
You know what I mean? Mm.
Oh my god, that's so good.
It's really good.
Oh,
You have
that's
to try it.
delish.
It's so good. If you're not a huge fan of fish as well.
Don't know.
So if you're not a huge fan of fish, this is actually a really great way to start introducing yourself into it, because the teriyaki flavor gives it such a lovely Moorishness. I don't know the right word for it, but you just need to try it, and yeah.
Oh, noodles go so well.
Just put the two together. They were made to be together.
They were, like you and me.
What
is that ding?
is it?
Oh my god, I'm leaning on the microwave. Sorry, microwave. So sorry. I was like, what's going on?
Flavia.
Thank you, Erin.
Thanks, but yeah, make it. It's delicious. Definitely give it a try. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And please leave us a comment down here. We'd really love to hear back from you. Let us know if you want us to make anything. Ideally fandom. Pew, pew, pew. Finger guns.
Lame.
I don't care.